Hi there, thank you so much for downloading our free web template for Showit.co. In this tutorial, I will show you how to take your library key for this design and import it into your Showit account. The first thing you'll need to do after you sign up for the free template is to check your email. You'll receive an email that looks like this. You'll want to scroll down until you see this long key right here. This key will be what we use to import the design into your library on your Showit.co account. Copy this key and then head on over to Showit.co. Once you're there, you can create a new site or add this site to your library. You may have to go down here into the bottom left corner, click on your name, and you can click Create a Site or Add Design to Library. We'll go to Create a Site. You'll see a bunch of templates here that are free through Showit, and then you'll click on this tab up here that says Your Designs. Once you click on that, you can see a little tab here that says Add Design to Library. Click on that. In this box, you'll want to copy in that key from earlier. Press Enter. You'll see the mobile version and the desktop version, and then click Add Now. And then you'll get a little success banner up here that says that it's been installed properly. Press Close, and then you'll be able to open up your website here. You can just go down here and click Start with this design. And once you do that, you'll be taken into your template and you're ready to start designing. Enjoy!